In this video, we'll trim and install the brake booster hose and fitting. Start by removing the fitting from the brake booster hose. Base model fittings will look slightly different. Next, cut a straight section of the hose to about 6 inches. Insert the fitting into the hose. We didn't show it here, but reinstalled the original donor clamp to hold the fitting. Cut the nylon booster line about halfway up the brake booster. Place a number 6 clamp from the K004 baggy onto the hose, then slide the hose over the nylon line. Push the fitting into the booster until it locks into place. Tighten the clamp with a flat blade screwdriver.